So I got tools. This is not my job. No, Layla. This is not my job. But there's a 90-minute wait. I don't got 90 minutes. Well, I do, but I don't. I don't want to wait no 90 minutes. So I'm gonna try to put this mud flap on myself. Set that right there, have something to sit on. And let's try to put a mud flap on. All right. They were nice enough and gave me some tools. Tried to do this job. I want to make a magnetic mount that I can put my GoPro on. That was not the right size. That is. This is the right size. Nope. All right. First bolt came right off. That's beautiful. That one's spinning off just as easy. I was sitting here thinking that these bolts be like rusted a lot worse than this. This is, we're going really smooth. All right, I talked maybe a minute too soon. This one is loosening, but it's fighting me a little. And there it goes. All right. Last one, please come off. It does. All right.
Where is the entrance? Actually, entrance?
That side.
That side.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. I have no idea how good this camera view is. You know what? I don't give a frick. I'm just getting this mud flap on so I can get the hell out of here. It's really freaking awesome that they allowed me to borrow the tools. Oh, sorry. "90-minute wait for this, guys. 90-minute. I'm gonna ask for pay. The mechanic that allowed me to borrow his tools. It's really freaking awesome. I don't like, you know, a man's tools, something that people don't like to give to somebody just off the hand. Because I could just take off with this guy's tools. Now, I'm not going to. But that's all she wrote. Freaking fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe.